everybody, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to copy from ChatGPT without this black background. Alright, so if you want to copy and paste a GPT response from ChatGPT without this black background, here's how to do it. So as you might know, if you just use copy here, and then go to a document and paste it there, it will have this background. And this is difficult to remove it inside the text document. However, there is a workaround for this, and then the easiest method is to use a Chrome extension called ChatGPT Copy Button extension. I will link it in the description below, and once you open up this Chrome extension, just add it to your Chrome web browser. Once you have installed it in your web browser, you will see these copy buttons. When you want to copy piece of ChatGPT to response or ChatGPT text from your ChatGPT conversations. So instead of copying the response here, all you have to do is click on this button here, and as you can see, the text has been copied. And now if we check out the response, I just press Ctrl+V. Or I can also show you this way. As you can see, the text has been perfectly pasted here without the black background that ChatGPT has. So all in all, this is how to use this Chrome extension to copy from ChatGPT without the black background. And that's it. I hope you learned something in this video. Also, if you want to learn more about how-to tutorials about digital marketing, software, and e-commerce, make sure to check out our YouTube channel that you can see on the screen here. See you next time!